Hello, my name is Ben Plazier, and I'll be showing you how to create a shopping cart using Wappler and the Docker engine. For this tutorial, we will be using a database with the following tables: company, which will hold information related to the business; customers, holding our customer details; orders, to keep track of orders that have been placed; order detail, which lists all of the items contained in an order; products, to list the products; and users that have administrative permission. We will also be using session storage in combination with arrays. It is important to note that we could have used cookies or local storage with the same result. To explain the relationship between sessions and arrays, have a look at this diagram. Session values are shared across the pages as long as the browser is open, while arrays lose their values when moving from page to page. Using the above relationship ensures that the value of arrays is the same for all of our pages. This relationship is achieved by binding the data within a session to the array and updating the session every time the array is updated, but more on this later. If you are new to Wappler, make sure that you have all of the dependencies installed. To do this, click on System Check and scroll through the window. If you see any error messages, these are colored in red, then go to Brian English's excellent tutorial on installing Wappler dependencies on YouTube. In our next video, we will create the database and database actions. Thank you for watching.